Hello, it's Ataki once again, and in this video we'll solve this issue, which is the well-known issues for Windows users, which is your program or you are using something with CMD and you will find is not recognized as internal or external command, operable program or batch file. This is so easy to solve and so on. You just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to the search one, then go to environment, edit the system environment variable, then you will click there, and then you will find the advanced, there is environment variable, click on it. Here you will search on both cases, user variable and also system variables. For user variable you need to go to path, then you will need to go in the edit, and here you will need to add your path of the program that you are using, add there and press OK, and here again go to the path, go to the edit, go to the last one, click new, and then you will find another link to put in, press OK button, and we are good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. It is solved your issue. Like, share, subscribe, and peace.